According to court documents filed on Thursday, the 16th of September at the Milimani Law Court, the petitioner has identified several respondents, namely the Cabinet Secretary responsible for basic education, the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, the Kenya National Examination Council, Teachers Service Commission, Kenya National Union of Teachers, the National Assembly, Interior CS Fred Matiang'i, and Education CS George Magoha. Esther Award, through her lawyer Nelson Harvey, states that implementation of the CBC curriculum is manifestly unconstitutional and unlawful, as the legal framework necessary for the change of the system and the structure of education from 844, and or the adoption of the CBC curriculum recommended to the CS for Basic Education and the KICD by the National Assembly has not been put in place up to date. Awar faults KICD, indicating that it has not demonstrated that it initiated and conducted research to inform the approval to the national government of the CBC curriculum. She also argues that the Kenya National Examination Council has not demonstrated that it set examination standards or undertook research on education assessment. This coming at a time when there has been public uproar regarding the CBC curriculum.
The CBC is here to stay. We have a duty as parents and grandparents not to confuse our 5 million children, some of whom are already in their 5th year. And let that message sink very, very clearly, because it was well researched.
According to Education CS Professor George Magoha, CBC is working. He has seen this, he says, in over 500 schools he has visited.
Why should an educated person go and say, you see, CBC never passed through Parliament? And then that conversation continues for a very long time. Yet everybody knows that the document was stuck there for 6 months. Meli is still alive. He's still a member of Parliament. All his colleagues who are in the committee are still alive. We don't have time to go and waste arguing about things that are obvious.
The national rollout of the competency-based curriculum started in January 2019 at pre-primary 1 and 2 and grades 1, 2 and 3 in lower primary, a curriculum that was touted as the most ideal for the country. Awar wants the case to be heard by a bench of not less than 5 judges. The court is yet to set the date for mention. Raquel Muigai, Citizen TV.